What we doing?
Gonna build us a rad new bumper.
Right on, buddy. That piece of what, 3 inch by 4 inch?
3 by 5.
3 by 5 tube.
Yep.
Right on, buddy. Brian's getting our new front bumper all mocked up. It'll be sweet when it's done. Got another big winch plate on this, just like we did in the rear. Brian's been working on a new bumper for us, making some wings, getting all laid out. What do you think, dude?
Two wings.
Cool. What you got there, bro?
Got our wings all mocked up.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
Building some more plates and we can weld it up.
Yeah. Turned out sweet, dude, and gives good protection for this front corner, huh?
Yeah.
Gives plenty of room too if we want to add a stinger someday. Sweet, dude. Like how it just kind of opens up.
Yeah.
You got this nice flat plate,
I think if we do
and then you got a little miter, and then yeah.
do another 45 miter here on the bottom, I think that'll look nice.
Yep. Find some. See, we'll look around. So we got some nice girthy quarter, at least quarter inch should be sufficient, but I think we should take it out a ways. Probably at least halfway.
I'll do it more than a 45.
Yeah. For strength. Been doing some maintenance on the big boom, attaches the bed. Got some new high grade, high strength steel bolts. Getting ready to torque them in. You ready?
All right, hit it.
Gun's got some power.
6 ugly duggers.
Yeah. Old Milwaukee with ludicrous strength. Ready?
Yep.
Feel like that's probably sufficient with that gun. Without snapping the damn bolt in half.
Now we'll check them with the torque wrench.
Yeah. Double nut. Just like we got down here too.
Snap down there, huh?
Yep. Some new bolts in this damn thing, and they take a lot of torque. Where you going, like 180 foot-pounds, 175?
75.
Not much room. It's like Austin Powers turning his go-kart around in the hallway.
Yes. There we go.
Nice. Just put the wrench on the other side for you. Got some parts over here for the control arms for the boomsticks. I've got some little rod ends today, some clevises, hardened bolts. I'll show you what we're gonna do, what we're gonna build. So these things gotta go. Show you where they go. Gotta go right there. There's the bottom of the boom. And then that little lever right there. Attach to that. Alright, assembled. Got the secondary boomstick handle in, just gotta tighten up the one bolt. It works amazing, we already tested it out. Turned out awesome. Boomsticks, the old ones, have been repurposed. We just mounted up here on the bed for ease and be able to get to these bronze bushings that are down in here for servicing and whatnot. Put new grease zerks in, gotta find some new handles, The other one's kind of broke. Taking them off. Can you tell us about the stereo, Bri?
Simple Bluetooth stereo.
Brian wired it in. New speakers, new mounting plate.
There's a new stereo. Just a simple setup.
Right?
Yep. Had some big old giant speakers cut into the door, so we had to kind of cover it up. We use this awesome, sweet
Hillbilly plate.
hillbilly redneck plate.